portion of this video is sponsored by Buckle & Band. I've been wearing an Apple Watch every day for the past year now, going from the Series 3 up to the current Series 7, and right now I can't imagine a day without it. However, before buying my first Apple Watch, I found myself wondering what features I would actually end up using on a regular basis. For example, Apple advertised the more exciting features, such as being able to take an ECG or measure your altitude during a mountain hike, and don't get me wrong, these are all very impressive features, but at the same time are also not the features that most people would end up using every day. So instead, today I want to share with you my top 5 underrated Apple Watch features, and these are the features that I use every day and what for me make the Apple Watch worth having. If you're thinking about buying an Apple Watch, these are features that are available on all current models, whether it be the Series 3, SE, or the Series 7. As always, I will leave all the purchase links down in the description. Let's get started. First and foremost, receiving notifications right on the Apple Watch is truly fantastic, allowing me to, at a glance, quickly see a notification without having to reach for my phone. I keep both my iPhone as well as my Apple Watch on silent and feel all important notifications come in through the excellent haptic feedback. Now, this quite literally feels like a subtle tap on the wrist, not too distracting to take you out of your current task, but still prominent enough not to miss. Now, I did say I only have important notifications come in, and this I think is key. If you let all of your notifications come into your Apple Watch, it may get a bit much. So my suggestion is to go through your notification settings and manually select which app you want to allow to send notifications to your watch. For example, I only allow notifications from important apps such as calls or messaging apps. This way I know that when my watch goes off, it is an important notification. Additionally, if you have a Series 7 like I do, you can actually use the built-in on-screen keyboard to type up a quick response to a message. Now, on camera, the keyboard may look comically small, but in practice, it's actually quite usable. Just don't expect to be typing your thesis on it. Let me know in the comments, do you have an Apple Watch? And if so, what is your favorite feature? I'd love to hear from you down below. Next is ecosystem. Apple provides a level of cross-device communication and integration like no other. Thanks to my Apple Watch, I can unlock my iPhone using Face ID whilst wearing a mask. Also, while listening to music on the train through my AirPods, I can increase or decrease the volume simply by scrolling on the digital crown. Oh yeah, and I can also ping my iPhone right from the Apple Watch. Now, this is a feature that I end up using more than I'd like to admit. Siri is great too. I use Siri to set a timer, create a reminder, or to simply ask for the temperature before leaving home. Let's have a look. Is it going to rain today?
Yes, I think we'll see some rain.
Of course it is. During this video, you've probably noticed this stunning Apple Watch strap that I've been wearing. This is a handmade premium leather Apple Watch strap from Buckle & Band. Today with me, I have two models, starting with the Lond, a strap that brings the elegance of a traditional timepiece to the Apple Watch. Right away, I can tell from the packaging to the strap itself that there is a real sense of craftsmanship. The handmade leather feels so soft and supple on the wrist, pairing perfectly with a suit or simply stepping up your everyday outfit. This next strap is really cool, and it's actually my favorite. This is the Hybrid strap, meant for all occasions. The textured leather on the outside of the band means it is well suited for the office or an evening out, while at the same time the silicone layer underneath offers long-lasting comfort, providing the best of both. Buckle & Band offer a range of designs and colors to best match your Apple Watch and outfit. These straps turn your Apple Watch into a high-end luxury timepiece. To learn more, check the links in the description. Thanks again to Buckle & Band. Back to my favorite Apple Watch features. Up next is Apple Pay. Now, support for Apple Pay will vary from region to region, but as someone who lives in London, I use it every day. For example, I use it to pay and tap into public transport, such as using the Tube or the DLR, and then to get my morning caramel macchiato, it's just another simple tap. And then later in the evening, I again use Apple Pay on my Apple Watch to pay for my groceries. Now, here in the UK, you can use Apple Pay for transactions of up to £100, or around $135. Apple Pay also allows you to set up and cycle between multiple cards, just requiring a simple tap to pay. But is it safe? Yes. Apple Pay only works when your Apple Watch is unlocked through the passcode that you type in when you first put on your watch in the morning or when unlocking your iPhone. This means that if, say, you were to lose your Apple Watch and someone finds it, they wouldn't be able to use Apple Pay or even see any of the cards that you have stored. And this actually makes it safer compared to using contactless payments with a physical debit or credit card. Not to mention that Apple Pay can also store things like boarding passes and loyalty cards, all super convenient to have right on the wrist. Maps too is great on the Apple Watch. Let's say I have a destination to get to, I will pull up the address on my iPhone, then choose my route, and this in the background and instantly will then carry over right to the Apple Watch. This is especially great if, say, you are walking or biking, not having to take out your phone, simply look at your watch to know which turn to take next. A feature I really enjoy are the activity rings. As a very objective-oriented person, I find it so satisfying to fill these rings throughout the day. Essentially, what this is are 3 rings, one for stand, exercise, as well as move. And then these gradually fill up throughout the day, ensuring I get at least moderate levels of exercise. I also appreciate the finer things, like getting the subtle reminder to take a break and stand after every hour of sitting still while working. So, that gives you a look at my top 5 favorite Apple Watch features that I use most every day. Now, again, these may not be the most exciting or headline features, but because I use these features every day, these are really the things that make me value having an Apple Watch. And these are features that I'm sure you will enjoy having too. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're interested, I will leave all the purchase links down in the description. To learn more about the Apple Watch, be sure to check out my Series 7 review or my Apple Watch Series 3 versus Series 7 comparison video. Thanks again for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.